In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Slack to Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting these two platforms can greatly enhance your team's productivity and streamline communication. So let's dive right in. The very first step is to access the Admin Center in your Zendesk account. Start by logging into your Zendesk dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the support icon, which is usually located on the left side of your screen. When you click on that icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, simply select the Admin Center option. This will take you to the heart of your Zendesk settings. Once you're in the Admin Center, you need to navigate to the Integrations section. On the left-hand navigation panel, find and click on the Apps and Integrations option. After that, you'll see a submenu. Go ahead and select Integrations. This is where all the magic happens in terms of connecting with other applications. Now, let's find Slack in the Integrations list. Scroll through the list until you see the Slack option. It typically stands out because of its popularity. Once you've located it, click on the Connect button. This is your gateway to linking Zendesk and Slack, so go ahead and click. After you've clicked Connect, a new window will pop up asking you to grant permissions. This is an important step as Zendesk needs to access your Slack workspace to facilitate the integration. In this window, you should see an option to allow connection. Click on Allow to proceed. This step ensures that Zendesk can send messages and alerts directly to your Slack channel, which is really helpful for keeping your team updated. Next, you'll want to connect your workspace. After granting the necessary permissions, the next step is to fine-tune the connection. Click on the button that says Connect Workspace to bring up the configuration settings. Here, you can specify how you want the mapping between Slack and Zendesk to work. This is a critical step as it allows you to customize how notifications, alerts, or tickets from Zendesk will appear in your Slack channels. To finalize everything, you'll need to click Allow one more time. This confirms your connections and settings. Once you've done this, you should receive a confirmation that your Slack workspace is successfully linked to your Zendesk account. Voila, you've done it. Now that your integration is set up, keep in mind that you can customize various settings based on how you want the notifications to work between the two platforms. Regularly check back to ensure everything is running smoothly, and don't hesitate to make adjustments as your team's needs evolve. So there you have it. You've successfully learned how to link Slack to Zendesk. With this integration, you'll be on your way to improving communication efficiency within your team and making the most of both platforms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope your Zendesk and Slack experience is now